Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm gonna show you how to unfavorite your translation from the app Apple Translate. So you can just right away go to favorites, and then so on top is favorite and below that is recents. So you can you can favorite your recents by swiping left, and then there you can tap on favorite, or you can also delete your recents by swiping and tap on delete. But to delete your favorites, the same way, you can just swipe left and then tap, and then that's it. I hope this video is useful, and thank you.